Hi, my name is Cole Roth. Today we're going to be exploring one of our fresh trade-ins. This 2016 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest powered by Mercury 300 Verados. Because this is a fresh trade-in, we did go ahead and do the bigger annual service on the engine as well as the generator. This boat does have 264 hours on the engines, which is pretty low for the year. Moving up on the port side, we have a 20-gallon live well, as well as foldable bench seat and jump seat in the back area here. As we move forward into the cockpit, you'll notice a manual sure shade that covers all the way out into the transom so everyone can sit in shade, as well as a removable table, so if you wanted to fish, you'd have the ability to have an open back platform. Moving forward, you'll see a convertible seat which does flip back and forth if you wanted to use it for the cockpit seating or aft facing to join your guest. Moving into the cockpit, you'll see a little lounger area here with removable station if you wanted to add a table and have a little dining area inside here. Moving over to the helm, you'll see this boat is equipped with twin Garmin screens, as well as a Mercury vessel view, accompanied by all your switch panels, as well as your joystick piloting by Mercury. So on the starboard side of our cockpit here, you'll notice a little galley. We have a little sink, as well as a fridge and some storage area underneath. As we get into the cockpit of this 315 Conquest, you'll do notice we have removable isinglass all the way around on the side windows, as well as an optional drop curtain to close in the cabin. With the isinglass up, it does give the option for one more bed up in this area. One key feature I did forget to mention was that the cockpit and cabin do have AC and heat. So when you add the drop curtain with the isinglass, you do have full AC in the cockpit area. As we step into the cabin of this 315 Conquest, you'll notice the galley on the port side, optioned with the sink, the stovetop, microwave, and fridge, as well as additional storage below and on top. Moving forward, you'll notice the dining table that flips over. It actually does go down and the two cushions come in to make another berth, in addition to the queen size berth underneath the stairs here, and we'll show you that in a second. So just to the starboard side of the stairs, you'll notice our full size head as well as shower in there. Now standing at the bow of this 315 Conquest, this spec is optioned out with the sun pad. The cushions are removable to give you access to the skylight from down in the cabin. In addition to the bow cushions, when you're lounging out here, there is a shade that pops to the two rod holes and clips to the hard top to keep the whole bow shaded. And that concludes the tour of this 2016 315 Conquest made by Boston Whaler. Again, my name is Cole Roth. Come check us out at MarineMax Naples.